Friends, today's story is not just about the United States and India, it could shake the entire global solar energy industry. The United States has taken a major step, deciding to move forward with investigations into solar panel imports from India, Laos, and Indonesia. But why is this such a big deal? And who could it affect? Let's break it down. In just the past 2 years, solar panel imports from these three countries to the US have skyrocketed, jumping from $289 million to $1.6 billion. That's a six-fold increase. American manufacturers argue that Chinese companies operating out of these countries are dumping low-cost solar panels in the US market, undercutting local prices and threatening domestic jobs and billions of dollars in investments. This is not just about prices, it's about America's clean energy future and its ability to manufacture at home. The case was brought before the U.S. International Trade Commission, which unanimously voted to proceed with the investigation. Now, the U.S. Department of Commerce will determine whether these imports are unfairly subsidized and whether they are being sold below production cost, what we call dumping. If these allegations are proven true, the consequences will be severe. Heavy anti-dumping duties and tariffs could be imposed. Preliminary rulings are expected in October and December. But this isn't just an economic story for India or Indonesia. This could impact solar panel prices globally. Clean energy projects could get more expensive, slowing down the worldwide transition to renewable energy. Countries like Pakistan, which rely heavily on affordable imported solar technology, could also face higher costs if global prices rise after US tariffs are imposed. And here's the interesting question: is the US really just protecting its domestic industry? Or is this another strategic move to counter China's growing dominance in green technology? After all, most of the factories in these countries are Chinese-owned. Friends, the next few months will be critical. If these tariffs go into effect, we may witness a major shift in the global supply chain and a more expensive future for clean energy. So what do you think? Is this a necessary step to protect US industry or a roadblock to the world's clean energy goals? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear your take on this.